Hey YouTube, Gundam here. Welcome back to World of Warships. Today, we are on, I believe, north. It's north. I know it. I do like this map. I just keep forgetting the name. It's the north map. One of my favorites, actually. And if you can't tell, that's the Tirpitz I'm in. It's a powerful ship. Notice right there, Nimitz 1701 says he can take the enemy Tirpitz. Okay. Yeah, I say hopefully they don't run into the enemy Tirpitz on the 9 line. I'm still playing co-op. I'm getting a little closer to my zoom out. Excuse me, it's always safe. Okay, he's taking out. He has a hipper. Yeah, he's got a hipper. And he's taking it out for a test drive. And he says he can take out the Tirpitz with torpedoes. Yeah. Thing is, Tirpitz also has torpedoes. And really big guns. Yeah, Tirpitz is a BB. Yes, it is. It's a big one.
Enemy force detected.
Alright, there's the first enemy contact site. It's a cruiser. It is the Hipper. This is just after... I am so tired. I'm sorry. This is just after patch... whatever it is, went live. A couple hits, 3,000 damage. Not bad. So, the patch went live. You can tell because armor piercing is now white instead of yellow. High explosive is yellow. I have yet to see one of those matches where you get to go against a enemy team's fortress, but I haven't played too much. I'm waiting for Star Trek Online because I want to get a new character for free and stuff. 3,000 damage, one hit to that guy. Sucks for you. There it is. Over there. The only battleship they've got. Hey, Mutsuki, coming under fire. There's Cleveland. Yeah. Whoops. Yeah, they have the Farragut's named Tirpitz, which is funny. The Hipper is named Tirpitz. The Tirpitz is named Hipper. Messerschmitt BF 109. Huh. Now, I think he can make it over, but I miscalculated. Now I notice my guns are firing at Atlanta, who just torpedoed a friendly. Does that mean he has no torpedoes reloaded on that side? I think it does! Goodbye. I don't even bother to aim. I'm like, he's gonna hit the island. Fire. Will it work? Yes, it will, because he hit the island. Goodbye.
Enemy cruiser foundered.
You're dead. You're dead, Sunshine. Now, there's that Hipper guy, Nimitz. You gotta keep an eye on him. I fire my torpedoes that way. Remember, I fire my torpedoes that way. Keep an eye on that. And there goes that Nimitz guy's health. Oh, he's gonna die. Yep. He goes against the Hipper at Nuremberg and a Cleveland, and his Hipper end gets killed. We got a Cleveland back there in our Nuremberg. No, that's Cleveland. There's the Atlanta. Oh, would you look at that? Now, I don't really care about these little guys because they're not going to kill the Cleveland and the Atlanta. What is going to kill the Cleveland and the Atlanta, though, is over here. And that's what I want to kill. Now, where is it? There he is. How do I miss against something that big? Well, we lost the Atlanta. Nice name though, on the house. That's nice. Now I want to torp this guy. So I'm gonna get up a salvo, and I'm gonna turn hard, try to torp him using the side that's ready. Now, remember how I mentioned before that I kind of suck in this game? Well, I do suck, and you're gonna see one of the reasons why. Lack of situational awareness. First off, there's some presents for you. Worst battle in a long time. You charged 3 ships with torpedoes. What'd you think was gonna happen?
Torpedoes, direct front.
Oh look, there's those torpedoes. Not even close. The on the house guy in the Atlanta's having a field day because he did good. Now I start recovering health and I start putting out that fire. But this is why I suck. I don't look where I'm going. This is gonna hurt! Oh, I'm still alive.
Destroyed an enemy battle.
And then the other guy kills.
Problem solved, sir.
Yep,